Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!